if we want to integrate our Stripe account to our website, in that case we have to need to focus or need to set up API keys, publishable keys, secret key, webhook setups, and Google Pay setup, the Apple Pay setup. So sometimes we don't know how to do that, and sometimes we are so busy, we don't have uh, so much time to handle those things. So in that case we can provide our credentials to the developers so easily, but the thing is we don't want to the administrative roles. Okay, so we only the handover the developer mode, so that the developers can easily handle those things. So for this, how to do that? So here you can see the setting icons. Okay, so just click on the setting icons, and here you can see again settings. So click on the settings, and if you scroll here you can see the business setting, and business setting here is the team and security, and here you can see the team options. Okay, so just click on the team, and here you can see the option is the new members. So just click on the new members, and here you have to type the developer's email. So I type my developer's email, for example. And here you can see the option is developer roles. Okay, so just click on the developer roles and send invites to the developers, so developer can accept your invitation, and the developers can easily handle API credentials, webhook secret, and all other stuffs. Okay, so I think it's so helpful. Thank you.